Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today, let me share few health benefits of dill leaves kashayam, betel leaf kashayam, tulasi kashayam and methi leaves kashayam. First of all, let us see what and all are the health benefits of dill leaves kashayam and how to do this dill leaf kashayam. So here I have taken few fresh dill leaves. As you see, dill leaves are also known as Sapsige Soppu in Kannada. So here I have taken a glass of water and let it heat for a while. So here you see I have washed this dill leaves and kept it aside. Just make into small pieces and put it in the same saucepan. Now if we come to benefits of this dill leaves, it is very good for each and everyone and it gives a good health for all the age groups, which promotes digestion, maintains bone health, prevents cancer, cures diarrhea, stimulates menstruation, prevents excess of gas, good for lactating women and helps to control diabetes, good for eyes also. Try to have this kashayam on an empty stomach, which is very good and healthy also. Try to consume this kashayam when it is lukewarm. Okay, now you see after some 3 to 5 minutes our kashayam color is also changed and you can make out a nice flavor when it is boiled. Now this is ready. I think it is the time to switch off the flame and just close it with the lid for some 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, we'll just transfer it to a cup. Just filter this kashayam into a glass or cup. Now this kashayam is ready to have. So easy, right? So you can even prepare anytime. Now next we'll go to betel leaf kashayam. Betel leaf is very good, healthy. As we know, many of our grannies will be having betel leaf because as it is very good for digestion also. So the same procedure, here I have taken a glass of water. I am going to make into small pieces. I have washed it betel leaves and make into small pieces and putting into the saucepan. Betel leaf reduces heart diseases, helps in reducing IBS, helps in controlling hormonal imbalance, decreases acidity, aids in weight loss, which reduces cold and cough also, and which is very good for our stomach also. As we all know, this has a strong flavor where kids doesn't like to have this. So if you want, you can even add a tablespoon of honey or else palm jaggery also. You see how nice it's boiling. Once it is boiled, we'll get a nice flavor, so that we can even switch off the flame after we get a nice flavor, or you can even off the stove after 3 to 5 minutes. Now let me switch off the stove and close it with the lid. Here I am going to add a pinch of homemade turmeric powder and let us strain this kashayam. Make sure that you are straining this kashayam in a steel strainer itself. Don't use plastic. This kashayam is also very good, healthy. Try to have all these kashayam for continuously for at least 7 days, which gives a nice benefit for our health. Next we'll see the health benefits of tulasi kashayam. Here you see these are fresh tulasi leaves from my pot. So here the same procedure, I have taken a glass of water. Let this water get heated for a while. Now I am going to add washed tulasi leaves into this water. And when we come to health benefits of tulasi kashayam, it is rich in antioxidants, heals skin problems, boosts immunity, and good for dental health, good source of vitamin K, promotes respiratory health, good for eye health, helps to cure cold, cough and fever also naturally. So in all the ways we know tulasi is very good if we keep in our home also. So now almost in all the houses we see tulasi plants, they keep in a pot and they do puja also. Here also I am going to add a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is totally optional. If you wish you can have, or you can even skip. Now I am going to strain this tulasi kashayam. Now this kashayam is ready to serve. To prepare all these kashayams, it takes hardly some 3 to 5 minutes. So it is very easy to prepare also. Now I am going to show you few health benefits of methi leaves kashayam. Here also I am going to take a glass of water, pour into a saucepan, let it get heated for a while. Now once the water is heated, let me add this washed methi leaves. And as we know, methi leaves have some mild bitter taste. So due to that mild bitter taste also, if we have worms in our tummy, or usually kids will be having worms too, it will be destroyed or killed. So it is very good and healthy for all the age groups, from kids to older age also. So it has a strong antioxidant. It is a strong antioxidant, bone health, good for digestive system, cures mouth ulcer, stimulates breast milk production, which is good for lactating mothers, prevents anemia, reduces heart problems and fights with fever also, which protects from kidney problems also. So in all the ways, this methi leaves kashayam is very good and healthy. So here this kashayam has a good flavor and taste where kids also enjoy to have. Keep your kids engaged by having these type of kashayams rather than giving them soft drinks or etc. and all. 1 or 2 days it will be difficult to have, or give it for your kids also. I can understand. But later after 3 to 4 days, each and everyone will get used to have these kashayams and love to have it. So just keep your kids and all the members in your family by engaging having these kashayams, which is very good healthy. Thank you so much. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel